Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up deals in HubSpot with pipeline automation. This is a powerful way to streamline your sales process by automatically moving deals through different stages, saving you time and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools you need to manage your CRM and deals effectively. Next, look over to the left navigation bar and click on the CRM tab. This is your central hub for managing contacts, companies, and deals. From the expanded menu that appears, select Deals. This will bring up your Deals page where you can see all your current deals and their stages in the sales pipeline. Now from the Deals page, you need to select the deals you want to automate. You can choose multiple deals if you're planning to apply similar automation rules across different opportunities. This selection is important because it determines which deals will follow the automated workflow you're about to set up. Once you've selected your deals, look at the top panel of the page. You'll see a Customize option. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the customization interface where you can tailor how your deals are managed and tracked. You'll now be directed to the deals customization area. Here you'll see several options including setup, associations, pipelines, record customization, preview customization, and index customization. What you're looking for is pipelines, so click on that option. This is where you can configure how deals move through your sales stages. In the pipeline section, you'll be presented with several configuration options. Scroll down through these settings until you find the option named Automate. This is the key feature that allows you to create rules for automatic deal progression based on specific triggers or conditions. From here, you'll notice that each stage in your pipeline has its own customization options. You'll be able to create workflows from each lead stage, defining what actions should happen automatically when a deal enters or leaves that particular stage. This could include sending emails, assigning tasks, or updating deal properties without any manual intervention. And that's it. You've now set up pipeline automation in HubSpot, which means your deals will move more efficiently through your sales process with less manual work required. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.